Salam, salam. This is Unity. Hey, y'all. And I'm here to do another video. So this is a quick video. I got more videos coming. I've been so busy. So I'm doing an update video. I'm going to tell y'all about the membership, the DIYs, the new stencils, everything. Happy New Year to all. Y'all been saying, what are videos? What are videos? I've been getting all kind of emails, calls, texts on my business phone saying that y'all miss me. I miss y'all too. In the midst of doing everything, I still been, getting orders, still been working. And as y'all know, I do this thing called ownership designs. When the ownership designs first started out in 2001, they was designs of mine that I used to sell that I had stopped selling. I had kind of put them on dormant because I have thousands of designs. As I had a vision, and it was like, that's a part of your history, so don't sell no more of your earrings that's dormant. And I was mainly giving them away for a really, really good price. I don't know what I need to be looking at, because I'm looking over here, and I need to be looking right here, right? Oh, right here. Right here. So I stopped doing that, and then I started creating designs strictly for ownership. But as I'm making the ones that don't sell, because I give a time limit, or if they don't sell, which majority of them do sell, but if they don't, I put them right on my website, and then I bring out another set to show the few people that I show, because I don't want like the whole world to have access. That's why I say when I do the membership video, the ownership designs will be shown there, and it still will be shown on Instagram through the DMs to the people that been supporting me forever. If you look over here, I don't know if it's showing this screen or this screen, but over here you will see some of the designs over the years that I sold to other artists or people that wasn't even designers that decided that they wanted to start making hand painted earrings. Okay, so with the ownership designs, I got this pair in my hand, but this is just an order. This is a pair that I sell, y'all. This is a pair that I sell. They finna get ready to go out. The lady that ordered these, she ordered another pair. Oh, she ordered these. So they're gonna go out in the morning. One of my hot sellers. I got a couple more of these to make. Share with y'all what I'm working on. These are so dope. It's a Zulu doll. And I have one of these dolls. It's considered like fertility, which don't just mean like getting pregnant, y'all. It could means money and all that type of stuff. So I'm working on these. I'm putting like the little beads. I'm going to show y'all a picture of a doll on this side. So I'm working on these. These going to be on my website. These are not ownership designs. But let me show y'all some of the ownership designs. Let me just explain the ownership designs. Because when I post like posts, and I rarely post posts of them, I usually just send them to the sisters that support the ownership designs. And I done got sold a lot of them since from 21 to now. The ownership designs are not the stencils. The stencils are, anybody can buy the stencils from K.Noir Designs, which I got some new stencils that's coming out. Y'all could just duplicate them, sell them, do whatever y'all want to do with them. With the ownership designs, they are strictly that one design is made. Once the supporter buy that design, it is theirs. Like I say, with the new ownership design, I haven't put none of these on the website. I never sold any of them. They strictly came from the inner God in me, the outer goddess in me. And when I'm creating them, I'm thinking about these going to go on my website. So when I'm creating these designs, I'm creating them like I'm going to sell them on my website. So I'm putting all the good energy. So these designs, when y'all purchase these designs, y'all can get them mass produced. If y'all want to go to a manufacturer and tell them to mass produce them, y'all can mass produce them. They're y'all designs. The design is not just limited to earrings. It's your design. So that's the thing with the ownership design. The ownership design is it's not going to be mine no more. It's going to be yours. And I urge people that done bought my ownership designs to get them copyright. Now, I would never sell none of the ownership designs that people have bought from me. Now, if I make a pair, like if I duplicate a pair, it'll be only for advertisement, and it's just for me, for my little collection, because I am the original designer of them. So, and if anybody asks me, you know, I tell them that this design was sold to this person, artist, and I give them that contact information. So I would never sell on ownership designs, then start selling it on my website. No, I don't do that. Let me show y'all some of the ownership designs that's available. Now, I don't know when this video gonna be put up. I don't know if these designs are gone about time y'all see this video. So I'm just gonna show y'all a few. And if y'all go to Instagram, KUnity77, y'all can I'll show y'all a couple of more. Because when the designs don't sell quickly, I put them on my website and I do another batch. I'll show you. So these are different from earring of the week, earring of the day. These are ownership designs made for artists, because y'all know I had the issue of people stealing my designs. That's why I started creating the stencils. That's why I do the DIYs, free and paid. And then that's why I create the ownership designs, but people still gonna steal. So, so I don't know if y'all can see these. Look how dope these are. So me, if these don't sell, but I'm pretty sure they are, I would name these Jazzy Fro. Yeah, these are dope. They don't look, you could kind of see them better back this way. But yeah. And you know, all the ownership designs are back. And I do sign them because I am the original designer. So these are the sample pairs. And these pairs will be shipped once the person purchased them. They will be shipped to them. And with this sample pair, like I said, it's your design. You could do it just like this. Tweak it. Do whatever you want to do to it is yours. So the sample pair, because when I first started doing the ownership designs, I wasn't sending samples. I was just sending the pictures, but now a sample come with a sample been coming with them for the last 2 years now. Yeah. So that's one pair. Let me show y'all another pair. Here's another pair of ownership designs. These are beautiful. Beautiful. And they all have sterling silver hooks on them. It's too much light because I'm in my work area usually. And then I'm rearranging my work area so y'all won't, when I start doing my videos consistently again, which will be literally within a week or two, I'll be in a whole different setup. So these are available for ownership. And then these are so dope. If no one don't get these are going strictly on my website. These are so dope. And the reason why I say that, because I give like a week to 3 days or 2 days. And then after that, I put them on my website. And then I send another batch out. I work on another batch for ownership designs. Because in a way, it helps me keep new designs from my website. And then it keeps me, you know, keep moving. It gives me like to be focused again when I'm creating them. So I'm like, okay, I don't have time to wait. So I keep moving to the next batch. And then I put these on my website. Whoever want them, they don't want them, they go on my website. Whoever want them, they don't want them, they go on my website. So that's how it works. But y'all see these? These are so fly. It's washing the color out. Y'all know the earrings are really colorful. So it's not as bright as it usually be. Because my lighting is a little off over this way. All right. So that's another one. Let's see. I'm going to show y'all probably 2 more. And if you want to see any more, just go to KUnity77 Instagram. And then I'll send y'all more. You have to have a picture on the Instagram so I can see who I'm speaking with. All right. So these are dope. And like I said, it's washing the color out. Because these like really, really bright. These will fly. So y'all will get those. And then I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show you one more pair. Got a few more pairs. Those are fly. Yin and yang. Yin yang and thing. Introductory membership video will be up. And then also the video with ownership designs. And then it's DIYs and all that. So I'll tell y'all more about that in the next video. Y'all will see what the membership will consist of. All right, y'all. I'm so happy to be back. I'm back focused again. And I'm probably going to go in that zone of artist 100% of my life again. All right, fam. As I say in all my videos, I done grown a little bit. I done released a lot. You know, when we grow, we never 100% the person we were before, but we still that person, if y'all get what I'm saying. Don't forget to pick up litter in your neighborhood. Respect those that respect you. Adopt a pet from your local rescue or shelter. About the prices, just hit me up about the prices on Instagram. Or you can email me if you don't have an Instagram. But this email across the way. All right, so long, so long.